got some more parts from Max Peeding Rods. I've actually had my eye on this for a while. I was really curious about this. Does this look familiar? Holy smokes. Look at this. Wow. Let me get the other one out. Look at this. The build quality on these things are spectacular. I'm actually shocked. Now, the one thing that I see that, well, it's optional on some of the other manufacturers is it has a Zerk fitting to grease this. But I guess with the install, and because I have to order some new ball joints and everything, because the control arms don't come with ball joints, is to see how well they are. But these bushings are stout. They're like a Delron or something, man. These things are pretty beefy. My God. All right, let's take a closer look. Look at these bad boys. And Max Peeding Rods are the ones who actually manufacture these control arms that you see all over eBay. And man, we're gonna put these to the test, definitely. If any of you out there have these control arms already, please put the comments down below. All right, well, next on the list of things to do from Max Peeding Rods, thank you again. Looks like a really good piece, I'll tell you. Yeah, once I have these installed, I will have a more in-depth video of these items. But man, check them out for now. And check out the link in below. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, more stuff to come.
It's like a family tree.